Welcome to Monuments Unravelled. Today we're visiting Mount Rushmore, an iconic symbol of American history and heritage in South Dakota. Carved into the granite cliffs of the Black Hills, Mount Rushmore honors 4 U.S. presidents who shaped the nation's history. Sculpted by Gutzon Borglum and completed in 1941, this colossal monument stands as a testament to American ideals of democracy, freedom, and innovation. Each face is about 60 feet tall and took 14 years to complete. While the majestic sculptures are the highlight, there's so much more to experience. Stroll along the Avenue of Flags, showcasing all 50 states. The Presidential Trail offers up-close views of the monument and the surrounding nature. Don't miss the nightly lighting ceremony, a moving tribute to the monument's significance. The best time to visit Mount Rushmore is between May and September, when the weather is warm and all attractions are open. For a quieter experience, early mornings or late afternoons are ideal. Visiting during autumn provides stunning views of fall foliage. Mount Rushmore is located near Keystone, South Dakota. The nearest airport is Rapid City Regional Airport, about 30 miles away. You can also drive along scenic routes like Iron Mountain Road for breathtaking views. On arrival, parking is available, and entrance to the monument itself is free. Mount Rushmore is more than just a monument. It's a tribute to the spirit of a nation. Subscribe to Monuments Unravelled for more stories of the world's most inspiring landmarks and historical treasures.